Let's pour the engine oil using this tiny golden bucket. Next, unscrew the brass cap on the fuel tank. Squeeze the petrol directly inside. Screw the cap back on and tighten it up. Use the power starter against the flywheel to crank the engine. It starts up and the drive belt begins to spin. Now the tractor drives forward, moving on to the sand layout. It rolls off the ramp and navigates along the concrete road, past the gravel. Finally, it steers into the curved brick pathway and drives all the way through the turn.